Hi guys, so it's so exciting to be here. So let's talk about money. So continue to the chase. Me as a person, I personally don't like talking about financial advices, giving such financial advice right, because I know it can be a bit sensitive. But then, I mean, it just occurred to me that this is something, this particular method I want to discuss is something I've been doing for years, and that's worked for me over and over again. And I said, let me just talk about it, right? So then again, if you're the type that the kind of money you're looking for is the break the bank kind of money, this is not for you. Please just right. So this is, if you're someone that is looking for to earn as low as maybe 50 to $200 in a month, or even more than, so depending on how you work, right? I mean, this is very possible, and I also have proofs. Yes, proofs that I'll be showing you on how this has worked for me. So without talking much, let's get going. Come back. All right, chill. Now what you'll be doing basically is you'll be writing reviews for softwares, right? So just think of any software you've ever used, from your Adobe, your PDF readers, to your Outlook, antivirus, your Word, Excel, any software you've ever used. So you'll be writing and you'll be giving your commendation on how I think it is. Now it doesn't have to be positive or negative, just go with the flow, right? So like I said, they'll be paying you for it, or incentives as they call it, right? So one we'll be talking about is Capterra, the second one is Software Judge. So for the Capterra, they pay you in gift card. So when they started with iTunes gift card, but now they focus on the Amazon gift card, right? While for the second Software Judge, you actually have the opportunity of actually getting this money like in cash, right? So without much talk, let's get right into it.
All well and good. So now you come to Capterra here, but let me just start from afresh. So you can just come to capterra.com, you hit it, and it takes you here. So from here, you just click on write a review. Straightforward. So now it's asking what software do you want to write on. So like I said, we have a lot of things that are here, but let me select Outlook. So Outlook is a mail client for sending emails, right? So it looks up. So as you can see, it's asking you how do you want to sign up, right? So there are two ways of signing up. You can enter your information here manually, or you could just link your profile with LinkedIn, right? So I prefer using this, and from here I'll be blurring most part of the screen. So blah blah, do I want to enter here? Click on continue, allow sign in, allow, basically, right? So I have connected with my LinkedIn. So it's asking me what industry and job function, as you can see. So it's very straightforward. So for industry, I could say, okay, I work in the tech industry. Well, ideally I work in the tech industry. So let me see, computer software makes sense. My job function, let me just there's nothing I do here. Let me just say IT and software development. So do you want to post review anonymously? So all this part are, well, okay, let me just so it's asking me how long have I used Outlook. I've used Outlook all my life, over 2 years. How frequently do you use it? So this spot I recommend you choose daily or weekly, right? If you pick monthly might not they don't actually take you seriously, right? So yeah, before I proceed, now one thing I just remembered is that now not all reviews are actually endorsed, right? So I mean, even on the website they told you understand. However, it is very rare, right, for your reviews not to be endorsed. Like I'm not on a 90% scale, most reviews that you give that are intelligent and meticulous, right, they will actually admit it. So yeah, it's important I also mention that part for you understand. Okay, so I am a user. I think I've been an administrator once. Yes, I want to take that set of method. So I think this will do. So now this is where we rate it. So everything I'm doing, you can note it will take, it can take up to 5 minutes. So Outlook, for you can give it as you want to give it. So optional, I don't want to choose this. right? All these parts too are optional, right? So let's now, how does the pricing work? Optional. So I don't want to do all this, so I can just come here and click on next, right? So title my review, I can say Outlook review, no big deal. What features do I like about Outlook? I can say I like the fact that you can recall emails. I also enjoy the compatibility um, accounts. MTN, thank you very much for not embarrassing me in front of the world. Okay, so there are lots of service incidents around Outlook. So yeah, okay. So I'm looking just to save time, right? Let me just proceed and just ignore this. Did you switch from another product? Like I say, no. Okay. So what purchasing? Why purchasing Outlook? What alternate products I added? Mail MailChimp. So why do I choose to integrate? No, by submitting yes, I accept, and in the next 5 seconds I'm through. Voila. Oh, okay, not allowed. Okay, so let me just make it smaller. I look reviews. I didn't even spell it well. Imagine. So that's all. And I will get a prompt in my email like before 1 hour time that I've actually submitted this. So it's very, very straightforward. And now, as per what I promised, right? About proof. So if you come here now, so this is my Gmail. So yes, it has popped in. So you can see this is a confirmation of review. Your review has not been published yet. Thank you for your review. Now they'll tell you we do not guarantee your review will be published. Your review will be screened. Blah 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 blah. If you're responding to an incentive, know that this is the part. If you are responding to a incentive, know that only eligible and published reviews will be sent a gift card, right? Amazing stuff. Okay, so like I said, if I come here and type Capterra, let me show you the proof that I mentioned, so you can see as far back as this is 2000 and when 2021. That's how far back I started. So you can see Ayolo Afemi blah blah of $10. If I want to pick it, if I want to claim it, click select there. That is one. This is another one again. Congratulations. If I want to, so I've been doing it for a while. So for some reason I don't know, this was $5. So now I think they're updating their policy now. Just so I think according to them now, for the first time you get the $5. So I guess maybe this was it. Then after that, so you can see here, I did a review on CorelDRAW. If you come here again, so I've been doing it for a while. Same Capterra. Look at this part here. Okay, this is not it, right? So come here again, redeem your gift card. So this was $50, right? So I think in this one they compiled what I was doing, right? So this is some amazing stuff, and I recommend you to try this, right? I mean, this is just like everything we've done is just below 5 minutes, right? So now on the second one that I mentioned, so for the software judge, this is the website softwarejudge.com. Let me come here, www.softwarejudge.com. Very straightforward. So let me look for a software. I think I want to go with this AV voice changer. It's actually an amazing software. Depending on what you what you want to use it for, actually. So if you scroll down, so it's telling you about the software here, but where we are interested in is if login or register if you want to push reviews, right? So it's pretty straightforward. I don't want to go through the I don't want to actually waste you guys time doing or filling up this thing, right? So you guys can just, once you get here, you can just log in, register, and just write reviews about this software, well, any software that you know about, right? So for this website now, if you come here, this is under their FAQs, right? So this is the major part that concerns you. So you can see this is the information that talks about getting paid for your reviews. So they're saying if you have strong opinion about software, whether positive or negative, and want to get paid for your reviews, you're in the right place. We pay up to $50. I know this is the part most of you are interested in. For tell it like it is, no marketing BS, straight talking software reviews. However, it can't just be any reviews for any software. We accept honest review, blah 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 blah. Exactly. So yes, so these are just the rules. First, submit. Do not submit more than 3 reviews in one day. So I know this is a part that concerns you again. Now, beside freebies like free rage, blah blah blah. Okay, I think again the minimum amount is $200 because we don't want to spend all our time in the bank. If you have at least, oh no, this is not the part I'm looking for. Okay, yes, right now the default method is Western Union, right? Because money can be sent anywhere in the world, right? So you actually get your money from a Western Union third party platform, right? So I mean, this is it, and it's one more thing I want to add again, because I mean, you guys might look at it that, oh, okay, there might be a restriction on this on both websites. The thing here is you can actually open as much accounts as you can, right? So remember when I went to Capterra, what I just did was to link my LinkedIn account to the Capterra, but there was also an option to do it manually, right? So I mean, you could actually utilize one email address, and actually you make use of another credentials again, right? The most important thing is for you to have an email address as your identity, and you can giving reviews as much as you can, right? Same as this part here. So I mean, one way or the other, you're actually making loads of money, right, on these different platforms. So yes, that's basically it. I hope this is useful. So you guys just try this up, and please, once you do it, just leave reviews on my comment section. I mean, how far you guys have come, and if you still have any questions, also let me know. So thank you, that will be all for now. Follow for more tips. And yes, the software I'm using to record my screen is OBS Studio, just in case you want to know that. So yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and yep, ciao.